for Saturday, December 9th, 2023. Urgent update concerning convective outlook day 1. Areas affected: Western Central Kentucky, Western Middle Tennessee, Northwest Mississippi, Eastern Arkansas, and Northwest Alabama. The threat for a few tornadoes and isolated severe wind and hail will continue through the afternoon, with storm coverage expected to increase with time. Parts of the area are being upgraded to an enhanced risk later this afternoon. Be sure to subscribe for future severe weather outlooks.